Samsung Monte S5620, expected February 2010. The Samsung Monte, or Samsung GT S5620, is a 3.5G GPS-enabled touchscreen phone with Wi-Fi. It's similar in specification to the B7300 but without Windows, and the Blue Earth but without a solar panel, meaning that the Monte fits into a very small gap in Samsung's current product range. The S5620 Monte does look quite stylish and interesting, but some of the other features can best be regarded as being mundane but useful. The 3-inch 240 by 400 pixel touchscreen display is a fairly standard TFT panel that's similar to many others on the market. On the back is a 3.2 megapixel camera with support for geotagging, which again is useful but not extraordinary. This is a 3.5G device with maximum HSDPA download speeds of up to 3.6 megabits per second, and the Monte also supports Wi-Fi connectivity. Social networking support is built in with applications for Facebook and MySpace, plus support for Bebo and Twitter, which we guess is kind of inevitable these days. The Monte runs the TouchWiz 2.0 Plus interface on top of Samsung's own proprietary operating system. Multimedia support is decent enough, with a multimedia player that can cope with MP3, AAC and WMA audio plus others, and H.263, H.264 and MPEG-4 video. There's no mention of support for WMV video, so we guess it doesn't have it. There is a 3.5mm audio socket though, and the Monte supports stereo Bluetooth. The built-in GPS supports Google Maps 3.0 and Google Latitude. Again, this is useful, but just about every other handset we see at the moment can do the same thing. All the usual software features are here, such as a web browser, an email client, and the S5620 also supports Exchange ActiveSync. Again, these features are hardly uncommon. But add all these features together, and it does seem that the S5620 Monte does seem to have almost everything you need. Yes, there are phones with better displays and cameras and cleverer operating systems and gimmicks, but we have to admit that the Monte does seem to be pretty well spec'd. It manages to avoid the dreaded black slab effect somewhat, and it's available in black, silver or graphite orange colour combinations. A suggested SIM-free retail price of around €260 marks this out as a mid-range handset. Samsung say that the Monte should be available in February in Germany and will be supported with a multi-million-pound advertising campaign in April in the UK.